So how do we actually connect our GameSir G7 SE here, as you can see, to our PlayStation 5? Well, the first thing we need to do is that we're gonna go into settings on our PlayStation 5 and then scroll down in here until you can see accessories. So click on accessories and then in here click on controller general settings here. And then the communication method, you're going to change it from use Bluetooth to use USB cable instead, as you can see here. Now the second step is going to be for us to actually use one of those right here. It's called a Wingman P5 adapter. And this right here will help us to be able to recognize the GameSir controller, the GameSir G7 SE in this case, on our PlayStation 5. And I'm going to show you exactly how it works. So what we're going to do is to grab the adapter here and we're going to insert it on the back here on our PlayStation 5. So I'm just going to insert it, I believe right here is perfect. And then you have to grab the extremely long cable that comes with your GameSir G7 SE here, and then we're going to connect it at the back of the adapter right here, as you can see. So I'm just going to do so right now. Perfect, now it's connected here, as you can see. And then I'm just gonna show you, I'm just gonna get back here to my place. So what you need to do now is to also click on this button until you can see this light. Sometimes you don't see the light, but don't worry. You can see, select a profile that you want to be able to use this controller on. So I'm just gonna select this profile. And now what will happen is that I will be able to use the G7 SE here without any problems on my PlayStation 5. And by the way, if you want to be able to get that specific adapter that I showed you before, that you actually need to have to be able to connect this controller to your PlayStation 5, I have linked that one in the description below. And yes, it is an affiliate link, but yeah, if you want to use it and support my channel, I would really appreciate that. And like I said before, it is an affiliate link. And yeah, if you use it, I may earn like a small commission from it, but there's no extra cost to you, just so you know.